Hello everyone and welcome to another part of this RMZ City Diecast unboxing. Now in the other part I have reviewed 19 cars, and in this part I have just 10 cars. Now in the first video, which I will put a link in the description, immediately after I upload the video, some of my viewers comment that there are other newer casting. So I quickly went to do some diecast hunting, and I found this new casting. I found the Golf GTI and this new casting, the Toyota Supra, and a different livery of the Nissan GTR. Now the blister packing costs ringgit 5.90 or around €1.20. And I also bought these 3 window box. They cost ringgit 3.50 or around 70 cents euro. They come with discount because the box is a bit old. But let's have a look. First is this Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Front lights, rear lights are painted. It also comes in black and yellow and red, which I have previewed in my other video, and now it's orange color. American muscle car, which a very nice, comparable to Hot Wheels version except for the interior. Next, Ford Mustang. In my first video it's yellow color, now it's black, which is not very nice, but I buy it because there is a discount and I like the wheels and the horse painted in front. So this is Ford Mustang in flat black, and this is the Chevrolet Corvette C6R. I know C6, R means, I don't know, racing version. Yes, you can see it's lowered and it has a huge spoiler. This also comes in black, but if I buy black, everything will be black, like the Ford Mustang. So this is yellow color. The Corvette logo is there. And you can see the bottom. Now all of this is approximately 3-inch size or 1/64 scale. Now come to the newer casting. First, this one. Now I can't wait, and I have taken it out from the blister packaging. 2020 Toyota Supra. It comes in 2 colors and I bought both of them because I like this casting. It's very nice. Very, very nice. Now I'm going to keep the red one carded, unopened, because if you see here, the rear lights are painted red. So if the car is red on red, and you can see the lights you can see the lights detail. So I'm going to keep this carded, and we are going to look at the yellow car. rear details, they managed to do it. Now I have also bought the 1/32 scale of this Supra in red color, and the review is coming soon. I think I will do it after I review this and upload it after I upload this. Now next new casting is this two Mercedes AMG C63S. I'm going to open one of these. Now the white one stands out more, better, white on black and red, compared to the blue one. It's quite dark. So I'm not going to open the blue one then. Let's open the white one and see. Now open it carefully. Even though I'm not going to keep the card, it's not very nice. There is no design, no point keeping this. Let's look at the Mercedes. It has the 3-point star. Yes. Quite plain at the back. There appears to be some more damage here. But never mind about that. Maybe I will add some details to hide the damage. Let me get my marker pen. Yes. See if this works. What I'm drawing is black on the boot lip. To represent spoilers. Now I have reviewed this in 1/32 scale and it has this black spoiler like this. And some here. Isn't this better? Yes. So a Mercedes two-door coupe C-Class. Next that I am going to open is this Nissan GTR R35 and in Japanese police livery. Now I'm not going to keep the box, so let's just tear it open. The livery is there, the police logo is there, and the roof bar is there. One thing that we need to do is blacken this part It's supposed to be black. The front pillars, the A pillar. But yeah, like so. Isn't this better? Japanese police, Nissan GTR. In my previous video, there is the Polizei, German police, and Polizia, Italian police. Now we have Japanese. Next is the Golf GTI. Now this also comes in black. Again, if I buy black, the car looks dark. So silver it is. Now what I like is the red stripes in front. But because this car is silver, you don't see the front lights. Unlike yellow color, you see silver front lights. Silver color, silver on silver, and you see nothing. So this is the floor of RMZ City. Next is this Lamborghini Murcielago LP670-4SV, a very long name. I like this engine cover here. They managed to do it in black and light gray, so two-tone. This also comes in red color. Rear spoiler is there, so this is very nice. Yeah. Now all these cars have die-cast body, plastic base. So there you go. I hope to find more new casting of this, then there will be another part. But for now, it's this. I hope you enjoy this review. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.